so just made it inside. I'll show y'all before and after. So before the pump, this is what it looked like. I want y'all to really get a good look. Clock in. Let's go. Okay, y'all, this is the aftermath of my workout. Y'all see the difference? We still got tomorrow and the rest of the week, so we're gonna see the growth. I'm gonna go home and measure my thighs and my booty area so we could really get some measurements going on. But yeah, y'all, clock out. It is 8:29. I gotta tell y'all about the gym. It was packed today. Did not like it. Everybody was aggravating me. People just getting behind you, knowing that they got other spaces. It's just a whole lot. That's why I need my own gym. Or I need to go to a gym that's really spaced out. Planet Fitness, it's just not it. I need to go to like a gym, one where they have actual weights, bars, so I could deadlift, like an actual gym. Because this gym, a lot of kids run around, you know, a lot of people just not actually working out, you know, stuff like that. You know, it's just kind of aggravating. So, you know, I need to find me another gym. But yeah, y'all, I'll talk to y'all when I get home. Okay, y'all, so I made it home. It's currently 9:47. I just wanted to close out this vlog. I took a shower and stuff. Doing my night care routine. I have soap on my face, but you can't see it because I've been letting it sit. And yeah, I'm eating. I shouldn't be eating at this time of night, but for real though, I make a damn good salad. It got chicken, shrimp, pico de gallo, eggs. For my dressings, I do 1,000 Islands and Italian. Mix those two together. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to put y'all on. Like, that right there with some croutons. A1. But yeah, y'all, I have a really long day tomorrow, so I want to end out this part of the video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another workout, glute workout. Good night, y'all. What's up, y'all? And it's not even a new video. I was about to say my intro, but it's the next day and we're on our way to the gym now. Get this work in. I had a very long day, so I'm gonna try to make this gym sesh very quick because I'm not trying to be in there all day. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And yeah, y'all, so I'll talk to y'all when I get to the gym because again, no car tripods, so yeah, that's great. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna stop talking and rambling and get at y'all when I get to the gym. Okay, y'all, so I just made it to the gym. Gonna go get this little quick workout in. Like I said, I'm not trying to be there all day. So yeah, I'll tag team y'all when I get in the gym. No babby abby. No babby abby. No babby abby. Hey, 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 hey,
I get the bubbly like the was. I put some more rocks in the box. Get a finger to the cops. Make it the real like two cops.
Okay, so what's up, y'all? So I've been missing the action. I know it's like Friday, not even Wednesday. Yeah, it's Friday. I missed 2 days of working out, but the reason why is because school's been kicking my butt. It's just been kicking my butt, y'all. And I just this fast pace is crazy. So I'm finna get back into it. I'm gonna make up for the 2 days I missed, so that I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna work out Sunday and Saturday. Those are usually my off days, but I'm gonna work out because I missed the 2 days. So finna get dressed and ready to go. And I didn't film a get ready with me during this week, so I'm gonna do one now. Transition in 3, 2, 1, and then I'm gonna be ready. So let me set y'all up right. Okay. Now let's set y'all right here. Okay, y'all. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is what we're wearing. I don't have white socks, which I'm pretty discouraged about, but they're all dirty. Unless I go get some of the dirty clothes. Do we care if I go get some of the dirty clothes? It's just socks. You know, it's just socks. I really think the white would be better. But this will be looking like booty eating. Booty eating. Let me see. But I don't know how I feel about the black socks. I put them on just to see. I feel like I'm wearing too many colors, but the white probably would be too many colors too though. How y'all feel about the white? I mean the black. Does it really matter? Maybe not. Do we care? We do. We most definitely care. I don't know, y'all. I don't think the white the black. I keep saying white. Because I'm supposed to have white on. So I'm gonna go put on some white socks actually. Yeah, I'm gonna go put on some white socks and then we'll be ready. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna pack our bag. So let me set y'all up. Don't talk about my clothes that's not folded because they're gonna be folded. Let me put them up because y'all don't want to talk about me. Y'all room probably dirty right now too. And y'all watching me, y'all need to clean y'all room too. Put my clothes away so y'all can't talk about me. Okay. So let's pack our bag now. And again, I need to get me a gym bag. That's what I really, really need. I need a gym bag. I just don't know where to get one at a good price. You know? Because I'm a little cheap. I'm a little cheap. When I need a little cheap, I'm conservative with my money. That's what I am. I'm not cheap. I'm conservative. So, shoes. We have our Fiji water. Our OxyStrid, we have our OxyStrid, the fat burner kind. We're gonna go downstairs and take some of this. Our Beats headphones or your Apple headphones. I rock with the Beats. Apple, they're not that. I heard they're not even that loud. So Beats, you know, been around since they could be around. So, you know, it's the original. And I got the waist trainer. I might not wear the waist trainer today. I haven't been wearing my waist trainer, but I might. And then we got some gloves. So, yeah, that's it for my bag. So, I'll catch y'all downstairs or in the car. What am I doing? So, I'm gonna take a dose of my oxystrad. This is the thermogenic fat burner. So yeah, help me burn a little bit of fat. It's supposed to give you energy as well. Honestly, I like my ominoline a little better than this, so I might go back to my ominoline. Hey y'all, so we made it to the gym. But I have a headache because I didn't eat. But I had, like I said, I had 2 boiled eggs before I left. So they have this space called Smoothie Time, like y'all saw the other day or whatever day. I'm finna get a smoothie and then I'm gonna go work out. We're back.
Hey, what can I get you? A touch of strawberries for now. You want to try that?
Okay, so I forgot what he even called what I got. I know it's in the video though, if y'all could hear. It was pretty loud in there. But I really like this. This is really good. This is better than the one from yesterday or the other day whenever I was recording. Knocked my headache right out, like for real. It's really good. It gives me like a hold this. Now hold this. It gave me like a Captain Crunch taste almost. So that was pretty good. I gotta get a thumbnail, y'all. Cause I don't be having nothing to post for my thumbnails, and I just be shit out of luck. I be shit out of luck. I be needing something to post for my thumbnails. But yeah, I just have to take. I just had to get something to eat before I go in there. So I'll talk to y'all when I get in there. Yeah, I made it to the gym. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna make it snappy. About to do a little before shot. Get a close over the little crease.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my.
Okay, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all what I look like mid-workout. Mid-workout. We got one more exercise to do, and we're done. So, y'all see the sweat. I know that much. And then I'm gonna show y'all after the whole workout is complete. So, yeah, y'all. Let me show you one more time because they have a lot of people by the little mirror.
above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you will listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. Let's cut it all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. Let's cut it all into my time. My time with you, man.
We out this thing.
She said you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything too. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Ain't that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything to me. She from the jungle. She from the jungle. I take somebody else's car. Try to undercover. This shit is everything to me. This shit is everything. Don't know.
Workout complete, you guys. We got it in. Saturday and Sunday I will be working out because I missed Tuesday and Wednesday. So yeah, y'all.